don't just chat. They have real permissions. They have local context. They actually take action on your behalf. What does the world look like when we all start to live in that world?
Yeah, a lot of people probably here are excited about what this native agentic environment looks like, and everything has to be rewritten. Everything is still fundamentally written for humans and has to be moved around. I still use, most of the time when I use different frameworks or libraries or things like that, they still have docs that are fundamentally written for humans. This is my favorite pet peeve. Like, I don't, why are people still telling me what to do? Like, I don't want to do anything. What is the thing I should copy paste to my agent? So it's just, every time I'm told, go to this URL or something like that, it's just like, oh, you know. So everyone is, I think, excited about how do we decompose the workloads that need to happen into fundamentally sensors over the world, actuators over the world. How do we make it agent native? Basically describe it to agents first, and then have a lot of automation around, around data structures that are very legible to the LLMs. So I think, I'm hoping that there's a lot of agent-first infrastructure out there, and that, for menu gen, famously, when I wrote I'm not sure how famously, but when I wrote the blog post about menu gen, a lot of the work or a lot of the trouble was not even writing the code for menu gen, it was deploying it in Vercel, because I had to work with all these different services and I had to string them up and I had to go to their settings and the menus and, configure my DNS, and it was just so annoying. And so that's a good example of, I would hope that menu gen, that I could give a prompt to an LLM, build menu gen, and that I didn't have to touch anything and it's deployed in that same way on the internet. I think that would be a good kind of test for whether or not a lot of our infrastructure